Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I'm out Bras'Dor today with the Autel Lite Plus. I'm ready to fly, so we're going to start a screen recording. And back to the Autel Sky app. Now, we have 16-kilometer-an-hour winds here, guys. I'm not sure the gusts, but we're going to keep this close anyway. We can't start recording until we take off with this drone. And yeah, so we're ready to fly. We have, I can't even tell the number of satellites here. 14. So I had to tip the camera down to see. Okay, let's take off. Actually, let's switch to video. Before I take off, I'm gonna go check these camera settings. And I think we're gonna format this SD card. There we go. Camera options. We're on 4K, 60 frames a second. So that shouldn't matter with this 30 frames a second. It should be okay. We're not going to have it take photos while shooting because it will constantly take photos. Do we want log color? It makes it look really dreary, so we're going to turn that off. Turn log color off. There we go. Now let's take off. Up we go. Hear that avoidance going off. I'll turn that off in a second, guys. Just get it above the car high enough here. And where is that avoidance again? Advanced settings, obstacle avoidance, and we want to turn it off. There we go. And now that we are in the air, we can now start recording. Okay. We're in standard. I'm going to put it in ludicrous because it's so windy. And up and out we go, guys. Haven't flown here in quite some time. We've got some beautiful fall colors. You see those trees? Just kind of circle around here. Put the camera down. Yeah, it's a couple of raindrops have fell, guys, so I don't want to keep this one up in the air too long, just in case it really starts pouring here. There's a view of Bras'Dor area heading towards Georges River. That's pretty quick and ludicrous mode here, going sideways. Very touchy on the stick. We are parked right down here. Right there. You see the old church behind us. There's been no new updates on this drone for months and months, possibly about a year or more, guys. I think they actually gave up updating this drone. But there's a new version of this drone out now. I believe it's a thermal, if I remember correctly. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. I think there is a thermal version of this out now. But their drones are very, very expensive. I'm just blessed to be able to own this one. We're just heading over the pond here. I don't really want to take it out over the lake because of this high wind. I know the wind is more than what it's saying here, guys. It says 16 kilometers an hour, but it's got to be more than that. Just turning around. I had this battery charged for a couple of days and I just was not able to get out and fly this. Way too much high winds here last week. Just too much, guys. There's the campground. We'll do a little fly over the campground. So if you plan on coming here, you can camp right here. It's an RV park. We'll fly over it a little bit. There's nobody in it. We get some good speed going that direction. We must be flying into the wind. Yes, we are. So that big burn down below there, I believe there's an arcade in there. There used to be anyway. There used to be years ago, and it probably still is, guys. I haven't been around that since I was like a teenager, so. But that's what they had in there for all the kids from the campers. Put that camera back up as we head back towards us. You can see it's a pretty gloomy looking day out here today. But this camera is phenomenal, guys. Picks everything up, all the colors. This is the best camera drone that I have. Well, the best camera on a drone that I own. Just amazing for its colors. That's that sensor they use. We're getting pretty close out to the water there now. There's the little train trestle bridge. I don't even think a train comes through this here area anymore. I think Sydney is the only train we have come through. Sorry, guys. I don't want to take it up too much higher than where we're at either. We're down to 79% on the battery. We'll pull a zoom in here. Going towards the lake. Oh, I forgot, guys. We can actually snap photos while we're filming with this. We're going to get a nice thumbnail pic here. Back up far enough. Get this whole area in view. I'm right about there. Snap a photo. I'll bring it back this direction. 76% battery left. We will probably fly it down to about 60. And then we'll land it. Probably going to get a photo from the other end up here. And then choose which one I want to use when I get home. Oh, look at those colors, guys. Let me get a photo there. Those beautiful fall colors, but it's a lot of yellow now. Wish I could have got out a bit earlier before everything all turned yellow. And we'll get a photo here. Now down to 72%. that drone. In this direction. There's not much to see in this direction, just the campground. You'll have to face sort of the highway here. If we can get it all in view. I don't want to fly too far over the road here. But I'd like to get the campground in view. And some of the highway. And snap a photo. And we'll go back over the campground and get one more facing this direction. It says we're 80 meters up, I believe. 79. Doesn't seem like I'm up that high. There we go. Just back up a little bit more. Put that camera up. Now I want to head over this direction. About there. And snap a photo. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to bring this back and land it now. We are in ludicrous mode. It seems like it's having a little bit of a time to come back. I had to decrease a bit of altitude down to 68, I think is where I'm at here now. Not hard to see because it has that little airplane in the view. Let's decrease it down. Yeah, that gust is starting to pick up, so let's get this back to us. And being in ludicrous mode and having a little bit of a hard time getting back. Okay, guys, that's it. We are going to end it here. I'm just about over me, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's flight. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment. Make sure your notifications are on so you don't miss these videos. And until the next one, peace and out.